And race is on. Catch me if you can. From the outside is Che and Ryan. Alongside is our favorite backyard B-boy, the gray one, entry number 6, Winning Hand. Also rushing up is Federer, May Bukas, Patarlak, and High Earnings is the early trailer. Catch me if you can, Winning Hand. And on the outside is backyard B-boy, Che and Ryan. Running in fifth by some 3 lines, Federer, May Bukas pa, and Tarlac High Earnings. Last 450 and going to the long Santana stretch run with Catch Me if you can. And on the outside is backyard B-boy, and then on the inside Federer. Last 200. It's now backyard B-boy. Catch me if you can by the rail. But still backyard B-boy this time by a length and a half. Catch me if you can. And finally the favorite number 8, backyard B-boy. Catch me if you can. Winning Hand. High Earnings. May Bukas pa. Tarlac, Federer. And Che and Ryan comes last.